The 21st century has ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. Among these advancements, none are quite as transformative as artificial intelligence, or AI. This revolutionary technology, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is now interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives, rapidly reshaping our world in ways both profound and subtle. From the moment our smartphones wake us with a personalized greeting, to the algorithms that curate our news feeds and recommend our next online purchase, AI is ever present, yet its influence extends far beyond these everyday interactions. In research labs and tech hubs around the globe, a silent revolution is taking place. Scientists and engineers are developing increasingly sophisticated AI systems capable of tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. Self-driving cars navigate our streets with increasing autonomy, while in hospitals, AI-powered diagnostic tools assist doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses. The creative industries, too, are experiencing AI's transformative touch, with algorithms composing music, generating art, and even writing screenplays. As AI continues its relentless march into every facet of our existence, it prompts us to confront profound questions about the future of humanity. What opportunities will arise from this new era of intelligent machines? What risks must we acknowledge and mitigate? And how can we shape the development and deployment of AI to ensure a future that benefits all humankind? The transformative potential of AI is undeniable. Imagine a world where debilitating diseases are eradicated, where accidents are a distant memory, and where poverty and hunger are consigned to the history books. This is the promise of AI. A future where intelligent machines work alongside us to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. However, this optimistic vision is not without its caveats. The rise of AI also presents significant risks and challenges that we cannot afford to ignore. The choices we make today will determine the trajectory of this powerful technology and its impact on generations to come. The quest to create artificial intelligence is not solely a product of the digital age. Its roots reach back centuries. As early as the 18th century, inventors were constructing mechanical marvels capable of mimicking human actions. The true genesis of AI can be traced back to the groundbreaking work of mathematicians in the early 20th century. Among these visionaries, one name stands out: Alan Turing. His 1936 paper introduced the concept of a universal machine, laying the groundwork for modern computers. The Turing test, despite its simplicity, was a radical proposition. It shifted the focus from attempting to define intelligence in abstract terms to evaluating a machine's ability to mimic human-like conversation. Turing argued that if a machine could engage in a text-based conversation with a human evaluator and successfully convince the evaluator that it was also human, then the machine could be considered intelligent. This test, although not without its critics, became a rallying point for early AI researchers, inspiring them to develop programs capable of natural language processing, knowledge representation, and problem-solving. The term artificial intelligence itself was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Workshop, a seminal event that brought together leading researchers in the nascent field. The Dartmouth Workshop marked the official birth of AI as a distinct field of study. The workshop's participants were optimistic, believing that significant breakthroughs in AI were just around the corner. This optimism was fueled by early successes in developing programs capable of playing checkers, solving algebra problems, and even proving geometric theorems. The years following the Dartmouth Workshop were a time of great excitement and rapid progress in AI research. New programming languages, like Lisp and Prolog, were specifically designed for AI applications, and researchers made significant strides in areas like game playing, natural language understanding, and robotics. The period from the mid-1950s to the mid-1970s is often referred to as the golden age of AI. During this time, government funding flowed freely into AI research, particularly in the United States, where the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, invested heavily in AI projects with the hope of developing machines capable of automating tasks like language translation and intelligence analysis. AI researchers made significant progress during this period, developing programs capable of understanding natural language, planning tasks, and even controlling robots in simple environments. One notable example is Sherdlu, a program developed at MIT in the late 1960s, which could understand natural language commands and manipulate objects in a simulated blocks world. However, despite the initial optimism and impressive early achievements, AI research faced significant challenges. Early AI systems were often brittle and prone to errors when confronted with real-world complexity. They lacked the common sense and general knowledge that humans possess, making it difficult for them to reason effectively about unfamiliar situations. Furthermore, the computational power and data storage capabilities of computers at the time were woefully inadequate for tackling more ambitious AI goals. By the mid-1970s, the initial wave of enthusiasm for AI began to wane, leading to a period known as the AI winter. During this time, funding for AI research dwindled and progress in the field slowed considerably. The intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare has ushered in a new era of medical advancement. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets quickly and accurately has proven invaluable in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. AI algorithms can interpret medical images, detecting anomalies with precision. AI is also making strides in genomics and drug discovery, identifying mutations and potential new drugs. Moreover, AI revolutionizes patient care through predictive analytics, improving outcomes and reducing costs. Artificial intelligence is transforming transportation, with autonomous vehicles at the forefront. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are developing self-driving cars to make roads safer and reduce traffic congestion. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and machine learning to navigate and avoid obstacles. AI is also applied to cargo trucks, drones, and maritime transport. Drones deliver packages, monitor fields, and inspect infrastructure. AI manages urban traffic flows, improving safety and reducing congestion. Challenges include safety, regulations, and ethical concerns. Despite challenges, AI promises smarter, efficient mobility solutions. Artificial intelligence is transforming the creative and artistic domains. AI composes music, generates visual art, writes poetry, and creates novels. These advancements push the boundaries of creativity. Generative adversarial networks, or JNs, are a key example. JNs create realistic images, music, and art. The generator creates new content, while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. Artists collaborate with AI for new creative possibilities. In music, AI analyzes libraries and generates new compositions. Tools like MuseNet and Magenta enable experimentation. AI-generated paintings are showcased in galleries, challenging traditional notions of creativity. AI in literature generates coherent text, from short stories to novels, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. AI offers new tools and opportunities for artists, but it raises questions about originality and ownership, the future of human creativity in an automated world. The manufacturing sector stands as a testament to AI's transformative power, where intelligent automation is reshaping factory floors and redefining production processes. A new generation of AI-powered robots and cobots is emerging, capable of performing intricate tasks with speed, precision, and unwavering consistency. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside human technicians. This is the promise of intelligent automation, a future where human ingenuity is amplified by the precision and power of AI. By automating repetitive and potentially dangerous tasks, AI-powered systems can improve workplace safety and free up human workers to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity and problem-solving. This shift towards a more collaborative and human-centered approach to manufacturing has the potential to create more engaging and rewarding jobs. AI-powered algorithms are revolutionizing finance, enabling faster, more informed investments. They analyze market trends, assess risk, and identify opportunities with unprecedented speed. AI systems sift through financial data, detecting patterns and predicting market movements. Chatbots provide personalized financial advice, improving efficiency and freeing human advisors for complex tasks. However, transparency and accountability are crucial to mitigate risks and protect consumers. AI's impact spans healthcare, education, transportation, and more. In healthcare, AI develops diagnostic tools and personalizes treatments. Education benefits from AI-powered tutoring systems, while autonomous vehicles revolutionize transportation. As routine tasks are automated, demand for critical thinking and creativity grows. Lifelong learning and flexible work models are essential for adapting to this AI-driven economy. AI's integration raises ethical concerns, particularly algorithmic bias. Biased training data can lead to discriminatory outcomes in hiring, criminal justice, and more. Ensuring diverse representative data is crucial to mitigate bias. Transparency in AI decision-making allows for scrutiny and accountability. Ongoing monitoring and auditing help identify and correct emerging biases. Ensuring AI systems treat all individuals fairly is a societal imperative. Ethical considerations must be integrated into AI design beyond technical accuracy. Fairness metrics should be incorporated into AI algorithms' objectives. Continuous monitoring and auditing are essential to maintain fairness. Diversity in AI research and development fosters inclusive and equitable AI systems. AI's sophistication brings risks of unintended consequences. Autonomous systems may act unpredictably, posing safety concerns. Robust safety protocols and ethical design are crucial. Clear accountability is needed for AI malfunctions or harm. International cooperation and ethical guidelines can prevent AI misuse. AI holds potential to solve humanity's pressing challenges. It can address climate change, medical breakthroughs, and global hunger. AI-powered education can provide personalized learning for all. AI can unlock new scientific discoveries and technological innovations. Collaboration between human creativity and AI can lead to artistic innovation. The emergence of superintelligence poses profound risks. Misaligned AI goals could lead to catastrophic consequences. Intelligence is difficult to control, making AI actions unpredictable. Prioritizing safety and alignment with human values is essential. Interdisciplinary collaboration is needed to develop robust safety mechanisms. The future of AI is shaped by our choices today. Global dialogue on AI ethics is crucial, involving diverse voices. Ethical considerations must be integrated into AI design and development. Education and training programs are essential for thriving in an AI-powered world. A human-centered approach to AI can create a brighter, more equitable future. Education and upskilling are essential for empowering the future workforce. As artificial intelligence rapidly reshapes the global landscape, preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future becomes paramount. Traditional education models must adapt to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in a world increasingly reliant on AI technologies. This necessitates a shift from rote learning toward fostering critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity, skills that remain uniquely human even as AI advances. Early integration of AI concepts into school curricula is essential, demystifying this transformative technology and sparking curiosity in young minds. Introducing students to basic programming, data analysis, and AI ethics will not only prepare them for potential careers in AI-related fields, but also foster a generation that is AI literate and capable of navigating the ethical and societal implications of this technology. Beyond formal education, lifelong learning initiatives are crucial for individuals to adapt to the evolving demands of the job market. As automation takes over routine tasks, workers must upskill or reskill to remain competitive. Accessible and affordable online courses, vocational training programs, and professional development opportunities focused on AI-related fields will be essential in facilitating this workforce transition. Moreover, fostering a culture of lifelong learning is crucial. Individuals must be encouraged to embrace continuous learning as a means of staying relevant and adaptable in an ever-changing technological landscape. This requires a shift in mindset from viewing education as a one-time event to embracing it as an ongoing process of personal and professional growth. Ethical frameworks and global cooperation are essential for steering AI in the right direction. The development and deployment of artificial intelligence demand careful ethical consideration and international collaboration. Establishing clear ethical frameworks and guidelines is paramount to ensure responsible use and mitigate potential risks. This requires a multi-stakeholder approach, bringing together AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, industry leaders, and civil society organizations. We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, a crossroads where the decisions we make today will determine the trajectory of artificial intelligence. The rapid advancement of AI presents us with a profound duality: the potential for unprecedented progress and the risk of unforeseen consequences. It is a future that fills us with both awe and apprehension. The allure of AI's potential is undeniable. Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated, poverty is alleviated, and the most pressing global challenges are met with AI-powered solutions. Envision a future where AI augments human capabilities, enabling us to reach new heights of creativity and innovation. This is the optimistic vision of AI, a future where intelligent machines work alongside us to create a more prosperous and equitable world for all. However, we must not shy away from acknowledging the potential risks. The same technology that holds the promise of solving our greatest challenges could also be misused, leading to unintended consequences that could exacerbate existing inequalities or even pose existential threats. The rise of autonomous weapons systems, the potential for job displacement on a massive scale, and the spectre of AI surpassing human control are all concerns that must be addressed with urgency and foresight. The future of AI is not a predetermined outcome, it is a future that we have the power to shape. The choices we make today in terms of how we develop, deploy, and regulate AI will determine whether this powerful technology empowers humanity or leads us down a path of unintended consequences. It is a responsibility that we cannot afford to shirk, a challenge that demands our collective wisdom and unwavering commitment to a future where AI serves the best interests of all humankind. Navigating AI requires a global effort, harnessing its potential while safeguarding against risks. Collaboration across disciplines and borders is essential. Education and public awareness are paramount. Equip future generations with knowledge and skills. Understanding ethical implications is crucial. An informed public shapes responsible AI policies. International cooperation is crucial. AI is a global technology with global implications. Addressing challenges requires coordinated effort. Establish common ethical principles and share best practices. Work together to mitigate risks. Foster responsible AI development. The future of AI is in our hands.